Then we can find out once and for all why he collected these objects. And whether or not he stole all of them.
Find out once and for all!
Do you guys hear that?
It sounds really weird.
The sounds keep on changing.
The sounds are coming from inside the house.
What if this isn't the house of a thief?
But a haunted house instead?
It's not haunted. It's just a bird.
So the bird was making all those strange sounds?
In order to trick us, the bird must be the thief.
A thief? I'm no thief. I'm a bowerbird.
Apparently, the strange bird was called a bowerbird. Fess up. Where did you get all these objects from?
They were just lying around, so I collected them. I need them to attract the ladies.
Apparently, male bowerbirds decorate their houses with colorful objects in order to attract female bowerbirds. Once a male attracts a female, they would mate. And we uncovered more.
But why are the objects over here all red?
Because I only collect things that are red. Red, where are you?
Ah! You can't take my nose! Apparently, every bowerbird had different things they liked to collect.
This bowerbird likes to collect leaves in particular. And this one likes to collect berries.
And they had their own color preferences. Some even collected garbage. Ugh.
By the way, where did you find my camera?
Oh, I found it under a tree, so I took it.
Under a tree?